Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of a different type of video. I'm going to be unboxing this big, huge box. It is the FabFitFun box, and this is my first time subscribing to it. So if you guys want to unbox it with me, just keep on watching. All right, so before we get to unboxing the FabFitFun box, I'm going to read a little bit about what it is exactly. So it says the FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription service that sends you the latest in beauty and fashion, fitness, and wellness every season. The box is curated by Juliana Rancic and the FabFitFun team, and each season it's guaranteed to have over $120 worth of full-size products. Like, that is insane. That is mostly the reason why I bought this. Don't tell my fiance because he will be really mad, but it's not that expensive for getting $120 worth of products for like $49 a month. So it's not, you don't pay it monthly, you pay it when they're gonna ship it. So just 4 times a month or 4 times a year will be the $49.99 price. Let's stop the jabbering and we're just gonna get to opening this box. So I just brought my little knife to open it, and just be careful when you're using a knife. This is so fun. I'm so excited. Guys, I've been waiting for this. I think I signed up in the beginning of May to get this box, and because it's seasonal, this one is the summer box. So it's sent out the beginning or the end of May. So I've had to wait a little while. So my first thoughts, there's so much full-size stuff in this box. Like, look at that. Like, these are full-size products, and each of them are like over the price of what I paid for this, which is insane. Right, so the first thing I'm going to be opening is this. It is Aromatherapy Associates. It is a de-stress muscle gel, focusing and soothing. Ooh, let's see what it does. It says, experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. So for all you workout lovers, not me, this is so big. Do you guys see how big that is? This is full size. And it smells amazing. Oh my god. You know, I think I'm just gonna start working out just to use this. Yep. Oh my god, I can't get over the smell. I want to use this so bad. Let me see. Let me try a little bit on. So it comes in like a little gel. Just like a little clear gel. Let's see. Ooh, it feels super cooling. That is nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, and you smell good. You don't smell like that, like icy hot. No, it smells amazing. You can really smell the rosemary and the lavender in this. It smells so good. It might be good to put it on before bed because it has the lavender, so it, like, make you want to go to sleep. So we have this little package from Pier 1 Imports. I'm not really sure what Pier 1 Imports is. I think it's like a home goods store or a home store. Ooh, this is adorable. I think it's like a little jewelry plate. I would put my jewelry on it. It is so cute, and it's glass. Like, what? And it's marbly. It's so pretty. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh. My fiance is gonna be like, where the hell are you getting all this stuff from? This one box. This is amazing. So we have the COOLA Classic Sunscreen. Organic Sun Care Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Ooh, white tea. Ooh, it's Classic Face Sport sunscreen. Ooh, and it says it's TSA approved, so you guys can take this on planes when you travel. Oh my gosh. I might take this with me on my bachelorette parties. Rubs in really well. It doesn't seem greasy at all. Ooh, that's nice. It doesn't leave your skin greasy like some other sunscreens. It's not the best smelling, but doesn't smell like straight sunscreen. It has a little bit of the white tea in it. It smells very floral. I'm not into floral scents, but if you are, you'll like this. This is a good deal too. Look at up to my face. Oh, that's so big, so big. Okay, I can't put it back. We have this Papaya Enzyme Peel from ELEMIS. It is an enzymatic cream exfoliator. Ooh, this. It says exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. Oh, yes. I am so excited to try this. Obviously, anything with skincare in it, I need to try. Oh, everything has a little cover on it. Gotta undo it. Let's see. Oh. This smells so good. Oh yeah, it's very fruity. Oh. Ooh, that's so soft. I can't wait to try this out. Oh, that smell. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I should probably not put soap on my hand when I don't have water on it. It's a little sticky. A little sticky now. Oh, but that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Yes. A resistance band. Okay, you guys, this box is getting me in the workout zone. I'm telling you right now. Using this and then using that gel, the de-stress gel. Oh, yep. I gotta do this, yep. It says, workout with fitness trainer Giovanni Villa and Eva Burkhart on FabFitFun TV. Oh, so with the FabFitFun subscription, you guys get access to like magazines. I think they have an app. Sorry, I don't know. I just started this, so I hope I'm not telling you guys the wrong thing. And then they have FabFitFun TV. Like, this is so cool. This is so worth the $49.99. I'll pay $49.99 for this stuff. We have this tarteistPRO Glow. Like, oh, are you kidding me? This is so heavy. Oh my gosh. So this is a highlight and contour palette. Yeah, because I need more makeup. Duh. Look at how cute this is. Oh yeah, and it comes with lights or mirrors. Oh yes. So there's like one cream contour. There's one sculpting powder. These are all labeled. It's just, oh yes. So there's 4, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's 4 highlighters. So these top 4, and then this is a cream contour shade, and then a sculpting powder. Like, this is nice. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. Oh, so excited. Now I'm gonna show you what made me buy this box. I don't know if it was FabFitFun, but put out like a sneak peek of what was going to be in this summer box, and it was this little beautiful thing. It is the FOREO LUNA Pro. this is what made me buy this box. This little thing is a face cleansing brush, and it is $89 freaking. It came in this dang box. Of course I'm gonna buy this box just for this. I'm not gonna pay $89 just for this thing. I'm gonna pay $49.99 for all of this stuff plus this. Oh yes, I am. Okay, this is the Smart Beauty Coach facial cleansing brush by FOREO. It is the FOREO Luna Fofo. So let's see. This says, get smart about your skin, know it, perfect it, love it. Measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine. The batteries are included, and it says for 400 plus uses for the batteries. This, like, there's an app that connects it, like, and it, like, I am so excited for this. You guys have no idea. And I will obviously let you know how this works for my skin. And I will leave all of the prices of the items in this description box below. So maybe that'll change your mind on if you guys want to just individually buy these things or just buy the freaking box next time. And obviously every box is different, so you'll know for in the future that all of the items in here are amazing. They're amazing. And then the last, guys, I got a little straw in here. It says, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. That is so cute. I'll use it to sip my rosé. Yeah. All right, and then the last thing is this little beauty bag, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. This is a Yumi Kim. I'm guessing it's a makeup bag. A travel case. Travel case. I will call it travel case. Might turn into a makeup bag. But it's got 2 compartments. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Like, this is so, oh my gosh. Guys, and it's like leather, like, well, obviously faux leather, but this is very nice. All right, so let's see how many things I got. I got 8 things. I know one item is almost $100. So all of these combined, it's obviously over $200, and I got it for $39.99. You guys, this is amazing. Oh, I'm so shook. This is gonna be my new favorite thing. I'm gonna be counting down the days until the next box. I have to wait till like fall to get it, but it's okay. It's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. Like, oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. All right, guys, this concludes this video. I hope you guys like this different video. If you guys want to see more like unboxings, or if Brendan and I should do like a haul or of any kind, we can do those. We might need to save up a little bit of money, but we could definitely do those. So just leave your comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and then hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a video, and give us a huge thumbs up if you like this video. And then I think that wraps up this video. I'm gonna go play with all my cool stuff. See you guys in our next one. Bye.